Okay, here's how you load a 30 round magazine in an M1 carbine magazine with stripper clips. Okay, first you take your 30 round magazine and you take a stripper clip that has 10 rounds in it. The stripper clip has a spoon end. The spoon end connects onto the magazine as so. Now that that's on the magazine, you simply take the magazine, hold it, and feed the bullets in. Pop that one off, get the second one, do the same thing, attach it to the magazine, again with your finger, and we're going to do the last one. Spoon, attach, and push. 30 rounds. And that's how easy it is to load an M1 carbine 30 round magazine with World War II issued stripper clips. Like, share, and subscribe. I got more coming.